Use of the spectrophotometer. First, you will see each of us transfer the solution into the cuvette. Next, we will confirm that the spectrophotometer is set to 0 prior to using. We will be using Beer-Lambert's law, A equals E times C times L. A is equal to the absorbance, E is the molar absorptivity of the sample at a particular wavelength, C is the molar concentration, L is the path length. Scanning across all wavelengths will provide information about the wavelengths. From this information, you can identify the molecule. You can also use lambda max for future experiments you perform. Beer-Lambert's law is the linear relationship between absorbance and concentration of an absorbing species. We must zero the spectrophotometer as we showed you in the previous slide with a blank to ensure we receive the most accurate absorbance value. You will now see us clean two sides of the cuvette and place it into the spectrophotometer. Now we'll be scanning for the absorbance value.
Now just hit start. So the thing is, usually when they pick a phone, they want to have three different regions. And yeah, we have to do this first. We'd figure out what to measure. And you only have one unknown here. Like you can't do that. And I think this. That's why we use the three numbers that we got. I wouldn't do that because unknown is kind of you would get three numbers that are about the same. Yeah. But the things with these, they're all really different. You can't no, you
And that is the end of our video.